Hi there, welcome to my channel. It's Ben from Protect Your Ride here on the Gold Coast. A lot of people are asking me, after I put a coating on the car, how do they maintain it? What is the best product? So what I've done, I've put a quick video together just to show you what Gtechniq sample pack actually includes and how you can benefit from it. So let's have a look into it. So we'll open it and go through a few of the products. So first off, we have the citrus foam wash. Do you like foaming your car? Do you want the right product that's right for your coating? Then look for W4 citrus foam. This comes in the sample pack, so we'll go through the whole lot. Secondly, we get the G wash, which is the preferred hand wash process and the ideal for the coating. Thirdly, we've got the iron and granule fallout remover. If you get fallout on your paintwork, simple spray, wipe off, safest way to remove from your coating. Then we've got W9 Waterspot Removal. A lot of people don't know this, but after coatings, you may get some water spot marks. This is a part of the maintaining. Most of it will wash off, but stuff that doesn't, W9 Water Spot Remover will remove it. Then we've got the i2 Tri-Clean, which is an interior cleaner to put on all surfaces and will clean. Now we've got the C2 V4. This is to maintain your coating, spray it on. This is your ceramic spray that you see most companies do. This is Gtechniq's version, and this is ideal with your coatings. Then we've got the QD, which is a quick detailer. You know, you've washed your cars, a little bit of watermarks, and you just want to perfect it. Spray this on, wipe it off, and have perfect results. Then we've got an all-purpose cleaner, which is the W5. So you can use this for quite a few things. Perfect to have in your arsenal. I recommend you buying the W5 as well. And then we've got Smart Fabric. This is a fabric protection. So if you want to reapply a fabric protection, put this on every 12 months to prevent stains on the interior. Perfect glass cleaner. Do you not like smears on your glass? This is the ideal glass cleaner if you want a crystal clear result. So this is the line of the sample kit that Gtechniq offer. If you jump onto gtechniq.com.au, you'll be able to purchase one of these. I think by my last time I looked, it was around $40. As you can see, you get the whole range of their products, test them, find out what's best for you, and then you can buy in bulk the ones that suit your needs. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I made it easier for you to understand that if you love Gtechniq's range, go buy a sample pack. Try them all yourself, and you'll see how good all the products are, and pick the ones that are perfect for you. Thank you for watching.